If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to install and use Safari extensions on iPhone and iPad. To install and use Safari extensions on iPhone and iPad, here is how to do. First, go to Settings. At Settings, scroll down and tap on Safari. At Safari, scroll down and tap on Extensions. Next, tap on More Extensions. Doing this will take you to the Safari Extensions section of the App Store. Browse the library and find the extension you like. Tap on Get to install it on your device. Alternatively, you can launch the App Store and search for Safari extensions too. Next, head back to Safari's Extensions section from the Settings app. Here, you'll find all the extensions you installed on your device. Tap once on the toggle next to the extension you want to enable and use. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.